Hey there, cleaning enthusiasts. Today, I'm diving into the world of microfiber with the Premium Pro Microfiber Towels by Microfiber Wholesale. Let me tell you, not all microfiber is created equal, and these towels stand out from the crowd. First off, let's talk about quality. These towels are crafted with Intraweave 2.0 microfiber technology, making them super soft yet incredibly effective. They're highly absorbent, making cleaning a breeze, and they're gentle enough to use on delicate surfaces without causing any damage. What I love most about these towels is their versatility. From dusting to scrubbing, polishing to drying, they tackle every task with ease. Whether you're cleaning your home, office, or car, these towels have got you covered. Plus, they're lint-free, making them perfect for cleaning electronic gadgets like phones, tablets, and computer screens. But it doesn't stop there. These towels aren't just for cleaning, they're also great as dishcloths in the kitchen. They effortlessly remove grease, grime, and dirt from pots, pans, plates, and glassware, leaving your kitchen sparkling clean. And let's talk about convenience. These towels are machine washable, so you can use them over and over again, making them a cost-effective choice for any cleaning arsenal. Overall, I'm seriously impressed with the Premium Pro Microfiber Towels. They make cleaning enjoyable and efficient, and I can't recommend them enough. So if you're ready to take your cleaning game to the next level, do yourself a favor and grab a pack of these towels today. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.